So this is how you can withdraw your GOAT token straight to your Bitget wallet. So as you can see right here, you will see the amount of token you were given, and down here you will click on withdraw. And the next thing you want to do is to select the Bitget exchange right here. And now you will need to click on yes, I have it. So the next thing they will ask you is how many of this token you want to withdraw. 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. We'll go for 100%. And we are required to provide our UID and also our GOAT ID, or GOAT address rather. So what you want to do, you want to go straight to your Bitget exchange, not Bitget wallet. Make sure you're using the Bitget exchange. So what you want to do next is to click on add funds. You want to click on deposit crypto. So you want to come over here to search for GOAT, search for G GOATs. As you can see, this is it, the first one. You click on it. Now you wait for it to load. Now we will need to copy our address down here. Click on here, and let's go back to our GOAT app. So we want to paste the address right here rather. So the next thing we want to get is the UID. Now you want to come back to your Bitget exchange, not your Bitget wallet, and you want to go back. You want to click on this menu right here. Then this is our UID. Just click on it to copy. Then we can head over back to our GOAT and paste it right here. So you can see everything is done. What you want to do right now is to click on withdraw. So as you can see, it has been confirmed that our withdrawal is in motion. So you just need to wait for you to receive your withdrawal. As you can see right here, I now have 0 GOAT token. So yeah, so this is how to do it. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.